Following up with our last video where we had begun construction of this table base. This one, it's inspired by one of the canoes at the Bishop Museum, where the front of it has this sort of shape. Essentially, they would use these as battering rams. So there's a point that's submerged. That's one of the features of the one at the Bishop Museum. So for this base, we've added an element as well. I felt like for this tabletop, because it's a really thick, heavy monkey pod slab, it needed a bit extra support. What we've found is with this base design, just it being just the nature of wood, there's a little bit of flex. So the heavier it is and the wider it is, once you come out to the edge, a bit of pressure can actually cause flexing in the wood overall. So we added this chunk in here to make it even stronger.